Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, today we are going to be diving into one of the most transformative opportunities of our time, artificial intelligence. As the AI revolution unfolds, it's becoming clear that certain companies are better positioned than others to thrive in this new area. And one of my top stock picks for 2025 is none other than Dell Technologies. Why Dell? Let's explore the vision, strategy, and the massive opportunity that makes Dell a standout in the AI-driven future. Let's get started. Let's start with the words of Michael Dell, the founder and CEO of Dell Technologies, who recently called AI a generational opportunity for productivity, innovation, and growth. Speaking at Dell Technologies World, Dell reflected on the last 4 decades as an age of miracles. But his excitement for the future is unmistakable. We are unleashing technology, he said, that will accelerate scientific discovery and development with the power to transform our organizations, our lives, and our world. This optimism isn't just about lofty ideas, it's about positioning Dell as a leader in the AI revolution, a company not only embracing this transformation, but enabling others to do the same. Dell Technologies has been quietly laying the groundwork for AI for years. At the heart of its strategy is the Dell AI Factory, developed in collaboration with NVIDIA. This partnership integrates Dell's advanced computing, storage, and networking solutions with NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI software and infrastructure. Think of Dell AI Factory as a one-stop shop for enterprises looking to harness AI's power, whether it's accelerated servers, unstructured data storage, or AI-enabled PCs. Dell offers comprehensive solutions that cater to businesses of all sizes. And the numbers back it up. Dell's AI server orders hit a record 3.6 billion in Q3 FY25, and with demand growing across the board, Vice Chairman Jeff Clarke noted that their pipeline grew over 50%, fueled by an unprecedented interest in their portfolio. This isn't just hype, it's clear evidence that Dell is becoming an essential partner for enterprises navigating the complexities of AI adoption. Now let's talk about the numbers. Dell's Q3 FY25 revenue came in at around, 24.4 billion, slightly below expectations, but still showcasing significant growth in key areas. The Infrastructure Solutions Group, which includes AI servers and networking, saw a 34% year-over-year increase. This underscores the robust demand for Dell's enterprise solutions. Meanwhile, the Client Solutions Group, which includes consumer and business PCs, saw mixed results. However, there is a silver lining. Enterprises are gearing up for a wave of AI PC upgrades in 2024. As Jeff Clarke puts it, organizations are aligning their refresh cycles with AI capabilities, signaling a massive opportunity in the near term. Then you will ask, Raj, what makes Dell uniquely positioned for the AI future? So this is where I pick up on what Michael Dell said he believes in. Michael Dell believes it's about enabling organizations to unlock the value of their data wherever it resides. That to me says that they have a proper vision and a strategy to get the maximum benefit out of the AI future, and they're positioning themselves properly. Here's the reality. As organizations generate more data in the physical world, they need flexible solutions to process, store, and act on that data securely. Dell's disaggregated architecture, combined with its PowerScale platform and Power Lightning, is purposely built for AI workloads. In a world where data is as valuable as gold, Dell is offering enterprises the tools to keep that intellectual property secure while leveraging AI to drive productivity and innovation. This basically means that if an enterprise were to allow AI providers access to their data, then their data could become the learning for the AI system, and it will benefit others. So many of these companies would like to keep their proprietary data in-house. In other words, they'll take a base AI model which has got all the generic information, and then they would like to train it on proprietary data and keep the proprietary data within their control. So this is where Dell has the maximum advantage. Now let's zoom out and look at the big picture. AI adoption is accelerating. 72% of companies now use AI, up from 55% in 2023. But these are only early days. Only a small fraction of companies are seeing significant financial gains from AI. That's where Dell comes in. By providing infrastructure, tools, and services that the organizations need to succeed with AI, Dell is positioning itself as an indispensable player in this generational shift. As Michael Dell puts it, we are seeing all sorts of processes that could dynamically improve outcomes, whether in software development, customer service, or sales. Dell isn't just selling products, it's enabling a transformation in how organizations operate and compete in the AI age. So why is Dell one of my stock picks for 2025? It's simple. Dell is at the forefront of a technological revolution that will reshape industries and redefine how we live and work. With its innovative AI solution, strong enterprise demand, and vision for the future, Dell is more than just a tech company. It's a cornerstone of the AI era. Thanks for tuning in. So I would also like to give you a perspective of Dell in comparison to its peer group. So I've accumulated I've got a chart which shows the peer group and how they are performing in the market in terms of market share. I'd like to walk you through that chart and also again emphasize why I think Dell is a winner going forward. So here I have a chart which shows Lenovo, HP and Dell competing against each other. And as you will see, Dell is not a small player. Dell is among the top 3 players. The topmost is Lenovo, and then we have HP, and after that we have Dell. And I think the way Dell has articulated its vision for the AI future, I think they are well positioned to gain going forward. Also, they have their tie-up with NVIDIA, which makes them a part of the AI Factory. So overall, I think that gives me confidence that Dell is most likely to have a good slice of the AI future. And that was one of the reasons why I picked up Dell. Now let's have a quick look at the stock market charts. Go to our TradingView platform and see how Dell has been performing price-wise and see if there are any clues for us on what's the best time to buy, if there are any bullish or bearish signs out there. Well, here's the chart for Dell Technologies. Each of these candles is a 1-week candle. So if you look at the 1-week candle, you can see that we have created lower highs, but we have not yet created lower lows. So it's more like a pennant on a bullish pattern. So I think that there is a lot of hope for Dell going forward. And we have a bearish MACD and a momentum which is insipid, so nothing great out there. So if you look at the daily chart, you can see that there was a huge gap down that happened around the time that they declared the earnings. Even though they bet on earnings by 4.41%, their revenue was down 1.24% against the estimates. Not only was that a factor for the drop, but also their lukewarm forecast for the next quarter was what brought the price down. But at the same time, when I was going through all the information about Dell, I read that they are thinking that the refresh cycle is getting pushed out, and many of the user organizations are trying to align it with the AI cycle so that they can future-proof their investments and that total cost of ownership is optimized. And they believe that in 2025, they are going to see those refresh cycles of AI and PC refresh merging together, so that organizations can invest in a holistic manner for an AI infrastructure, which also includes AI PCs and data centers and the like. So I think that if I buy that premise, there's a lot of upside. At the very least, we are looking at a gain of somewhere close to around 20%, which is the value that we lost since the previous earnings release. That's the bottom line table stakes that I'm thinking of. Of course, I would like to predicate that the next couple of weeks or maybe 3 weeks are going to be very volatile as the old administration goes away and the new administration comes in, and people continue doing all their portfolio rebalancing, profit taking, tax harvesting, everything. After that, I think we'll be able to see the real potential of Dell. So I feel that there would be even better opportunities to make an entry into Dell as the price continues to fall. as the price multiples for the stock market continue to fall, it would look much more attractive. Dell's price to earnings ratio for December 27, 2024 is 18.02. And if you look at the PE ratio for other companies in our Mag 7, they are all in the high 20s, and some of them are also above 40. So from that perspective, I think that as Mag 6 and Mag 7 start to lose the leadership of the pack, and other companies start picking up the slack and keep the indices up, I think money could rotate into Dell. This is one of my themes for Dell, which makes me feel positive about Dell. Even better is when we look at their price to book ratio. Dell's price to book ratio is minus 37.5, and according to macro trends, it's at around 0 as of now, which basically means that Dell is underpriced. The current share price does not even reflect the actual book value of all the assets of Dell. So what's a better time to enter into Dell? And also furthermore, because of the way the market is positioned right now, there is possibility of further drop in the stock price across the indices. Either Dell could be a beneficiary of that, or Dell could fall along with it, creating an even better entry point for prospective investors. So these are the things that attract me towards Dell. Looking forward into 2025. As I think ahead and look into 2025, I feel that our new portfolio should reflect the realities of what will be at play in 2025. I have also been an investor in genomics, and genomics has been quite insipid in the last couple of years. We have a lot of enthusiasm which has now petered out. Many people have moved out of genomics. There are some hardcore genomics guys who are focused on CRISPR. And of course, I am also focused on CRISPR. So I'll definitely be looking at CRISPR and the other genomic companies as always. But even within AI, I think we had our first draft of watch list that we had with us. Now we had to modify the watch list and include new participants, remove companies that don't seem attractive anymore. And towards that effort, I think I'm going to add Dell into our watch list for 2025. I'd like to hear from you guys what you think about Dell, and let me know in the comment section below. And if you think there are any other companies that we should consider for our AI watch list for next year, now is the time to put it in the comment section so that I could consider them and see if I could include it in our watch list, or at the very least make a video on them to give the current snapshot and the future prospects of those companies for 2025. With that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. But before I go, I want to thank you all. This year is coming to an end, and it marks 3 years of ShareTreck, 3 years of me making 1, 2, 3, or 4 videos a day over a 3-year period of time. And all this is possible because you guys have been watching the videos, you guys have been subscribing to it. Some of you had actually put your faith and become members out here to give me moral support. I thank each and every one of you. If you're not yet subscribed, and if you're watching this video, I would request that please press the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel, gives me more moral courage to continue going forward and putting more efforts on building the channel. We have crossed 20,000 subscribers thanks to you. And you could let your friends know about our channel and help increase our viewership. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.